ships here in Kirkland, Washington. It's really, really windy. There's the ships. Oh, there. It's really, really windy. Oh my gosh, look at the face. Yeah. This is a very memorable Christmas. It is just rocking. Oh my gosh, it's gonna be. It's just going. Alright, Christmas ship. Can't wait to get inside.
Welcome aboard, everybody. Watch your step right. We're getting onto the rail and enjoy the cruise.
Okay, here we go. Thank you.
Welcome. Merry Christmas.
Thank you. Oh, how nice! It's nice and warm. Oh my gosh, it's so nice and warm. Oh, you can feel it rocking. Oh my word!
I'm gonna be seasick. I'm gonna be seasick.
You're gonna be seasick?
I feel like I am.
Oh my word, this is funny.
No, it's not.
This is uncanny.
If you sit and look at the...
Whoa!
You want some popcorn?
Yeah. There's a guy who's windsurfing. He is going fast. Oh my.
Wait a minute.
That's a lot of guts.
Oh, I have heard we have a special guest on board today. Hey folks, how are you? You remember what Santa says? Ho, 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 Merry Christmas! All right, what's your name, buddy? You doing it? How old are you? 9 years old, all right. Let him hear it. Put some fire behind that. All right, any last minute takers? All right. What's your name, friend?
My name is Dylan.
All right, Milkgamer, you did it. Good job.
I'm gonna be all the way up there.
I know it didn't make it all the way up there. It was awesome.
I'm happy.
You did a good job too. You did a good one.
Merry Christmas.
To town. He sees you when you're sleeping. He knows when you're awake.
So since it's bird concert outside, there's other boats around, and the cops obviously want to have their peek at the carolers. It's actually a really, really fun event. Super fun. We're going slowly but surely to see the beach where all the other people are waiting for us to come. And in the evening, there's these boats are light up, and there's more boats, and you can see the people waiting on the shore, and that's where you can hear them. So this is my first time being on the boat, but it is actually a really great event. So it's gonna be fun. See you later. Merry Christmas. Stand out here. We're trying to find their jackets. They lost their jackets. We can't go outside yet. So we found the jackets. They were still there on the ground, so we're happy we can go outside now. This is awesome. Woo! Alright, we made it outside!
Woo! The place is
Yeah. And
That was an adventure, wasn't it?
that was fun Christmas adventure. How many years was it a tradition?
70.
70 years. They have been Argosy Cruises in Seattle and Kirkland. No? Yes, Kirkland. We've been doing this. So we're just waiting to get downstairs and going, leaving the boat at festivities. Step off the boat. You guys, thank you very much. Thank you.
Merry Christmas. Safe travels.
Woo! Oh, here's Santa! Santa, hear me go! Santa, say goodnight. Oh.
I think. Look, the pigeon lady over there.
It is the pigeon lady. So we made it. We're Argosy Cruises, so let's